Still, pay further toward your pupil loans, or just add some breathing room to your budget. Side hustles are a great way to make further plutocrat if you want to reach a savings thing. This list is your alleviation for what kind of side hustle you can take on to make further progress toward your current plutocrat thing. Some are quick ways to earn redundant dough, and others bear further time and training. But the key to winning with any side hustle is to concentrate on your specific chops and take advantage of them. So, snare one of these side hustle ideas or many and get ready to hustle. Drive for Lyft or Uber. Still, people, and working when you want. Check out Lyft or Uber if you like driving. Both offer flexible scheduling, redundant pay during peak hours, and insurance protection for while you read out on the job. Deliver groceries. Still, check out Instacart or Shipt if you love driving and shopping. You'll get paid to shop and deliver groceries to guests through these on-demand services. And Shipt claims you can make up to $22 an hour working for them. Come a shooter. It seems like everyone with a smartphone thinks they are a pro shooter. But if you've got legal photography gift, use those chops to make plutocrat. People need prints all time long, but you should suppose about marketing seasonally elderly prints in summer or early fall. Family pictures for people to put on their Christmas cards, Easter filament in the spring. You get the idea. Now, when you reprobing online to figure out how to set your pricing, do and anticipate to start off making the same as the pros. Make your chops and customer lists by offering lower but not too low rates to start. You can indeed get some musketeers to disguise for you if you need some shops for your website. Instructor online. You did and graduate at the top of your class. No problem. You do and have to know everything to educate others. However, look into online training with Tutor if you've got a good understanding of a particular subject and good communication skills. Come, Tutor Me or Studypool. And the pay is N2CD, moreover. Tutor Me says you can earn at least $16 an hour. To be careful as you look through bulletins. Some of the druggies are just in it hoping someone will write their essays or finish their schoolwork for them. But others need honest help to do their stylish. Jumping in and offering that help can be a great price for your life and your portmanteau. Come a transcriptionist. Still, also this could be the job for you. If you read good at codifying and hearkening and you have good attention to detail. A transcriptionist is a professional typist who listens to recorded or live audio lines and types up written performances of them. They are super important in the medical and legal diligence, but other areas of the commercial world need them as well. You have to be trained and certified, but you can make around $20 to $45 an hour depending on your skill position and speed. Once you've got your instrument, you can nab some jobs on ref. Join a focus group or take checks. Want to get paid for participating? Your opinion. Not a bad way to make some redundant cash online. You can join a focus group, try focus group, or look into check spots like MyPoints.com or Survey Junkie. Just flashback, these spots are looking for really specific effects when they pick people. So, you might not qualify for every check you see. Plus, you might have to answer a lot of checks before you cash out, so it's not a quick option, but it's an easy way to make a little bit redundant. Get paid for your creative bents. Still, people need you if you have creative chops. Spots like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs connect freelancers specializing in jotting, editing, graphic design, and voiceover work for guests who need those creative minds. All you have to do to get started is produce a profile kind of like an online resume so implicit employers can check out your experience, rates, and specialties. Also, you can make that redundant plutocrat from the comfort of your own home. Come a particular cook. We're not talking about living inside a foreigner's kitchen and whipping up multiple courses a day. What if you could earn redundant income just by doubling or tripling the fashions you were formerly making for your family this week? If you like the idea of preparing redundant refections, packing them up, and delivering them, this could be a delightful side hustle for you. Let people at work, church, and your kid's academy know you do this, and take on only as numerous guests as your kitchen and free time can handle. This can be a great way to make plutocrat by doing commodity you were formerly doing mess planning and preparing, just on a larger scale. Babysit. Perhaps you did some babysitting when you were youngish. But you can still hitch some of that babysitting cash as an grown up. Parents need babysitters all the time for date nights or busy days. Just get the word out and tell people you know that you re-up for watching their kiddies for pay, of course. And hey, do you have kiddies of your own and worry this means too important time down from them? Some families would be completely cool with you bringing your kiddies along, just make sure you ask first. That way, it's a playdate you'll get paid for. Become a user tester. When a business realizes commodity isn't working, they need to know why. Occasionally, they turn to their guests or arbitrary people to be stoner experienced testers. That's where you come in. Companies like User Testing, Analysia, and Try My U will pay you to test out websites, apps, and products and give your feedback. Most of them boast you'll get $10 for each test you complete. Dog walk or pet sit. Still, raise your hand if you an beast person. Wow, that's a lot of you. What if you turned your love of creatures into a profit? You can gentle sit while the fur parents are down or find a couple guests whose types you can walk during the week. You can announce your own pet sitting business on social media, put up signs in your neighborhood, post at work, or use a website like Rover or Whack. They let you set your schedule and acclimate your freights, but they do take a cut of your pay. If that seems like too important, try beating up your own business with musketeers and family and ask them to help you get the word out. Clean houses. Drawing houses is hard work, but if you don't mind getting your hands dirty, this could be the perfect fit for you. We all need our houses gutted, and lots of people would rather pay someone differently to do it. Jump on this occasion. Startup costs are low. You'll need some tools and inventories, however, some picky homeowners might indeed give the products they want you to use. You can make good plutocrat while burning some calories and hearkening to music, audiobooks, or podcasts. Win-win? Sell products on Etsy. Are you tricky? Not like a fox, like an entrepreneur. Also, perhaps you should vend your tricky products on Etsy. Jewelry, scarves, oils, hand-scribbled inspirational prints, and further. Etsy's a great place to vend anything you are good at making. Setting up a profile is simple, and listing a product is easy. Etsy charges 20 cents per table and takes a chance of the trade. But it's worth it because people trust Etsy. Plus, you can buy your shipping markers on Etsy, which means you can shoot everything from your own mailbox at no last nanosecond runs to the post office. Give music assignments. Still, you presumably shouldn't smoke it off and try tutoring kiddies how to becoming Kenny G if you haven't played your alto saxophone in 20 times. But if you are a musician with the heart of a schoolteacher, giving music assignments is an excellent side hustle. Set your own prices and hours. You can offer assignments in your home, rent a planned space, or charge redundant to travel to the customer's home. Startup freights can be virtually nothing when you have your own space and instrument. You are really just offering your time, gift, and tutoring. Enjoy the harmony of training up a new generation of music suckers while erecting up your income. Do tasks for people. Are you good at quick fix-it jobs or running errands? People will pay you to complete their honey-do lists through spots like TaskRabbit or Handy. You can do all kinds of effects from hanging shelves to putting together cabinet work. And if you are a puck a plumber or electrician looking for redundant jobs, Handy offers those too. Become a freelance writer or proofreader. Some companies have their own in-house pens and editors. Others hire out design by project. However, pick up some freelance jotting gigs if you are good at wordsmithing. Emails, blog papers, print pieces, notoriety got to write them. Still, take on freelance editing or proofreading if you are more into correcting the words than writing them. Do an online hunt and get the word out to people you know that you reopen for freelance work. You can use Fiverr and Upwork for this as well. Hope you have carefully watched and enjoyed the video. To stay connected with us, please hit the bell notification and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.